Today's an exciting day because I found this shoe store bench at Savers. It was $6.99 and I'm going to flip it into a nice bench slash shelf to put in my bedroom.
This is Emily's channel. Woo!
So I have to start off by taking it apart and cleaning it and everything. I think I'm just going to get rid of this top part altogether. I bought some white shelves to replace it with. I couldn't find anything that was the exact size that I needed, but I have these two that will form a new bench to replace this one. I also bought some white spray paint to paint the metal parts of it. And additionally, the only tools that I have are these two sets from IKEA. So we'll see how that goes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take it apart. I'm gonna take this top bench part off. I'm pretty sure I can just unscrew it. And I'm gonna clean the metal part and the mirrors and everything, just with some rubbing alcohol. Oh my god. For some reason I didn't foresee this, but there's gum underneath it. No! So I'll have to take that off. I'm going to hold on to the screws because I'm just going to use the same ones when I put the new top on. Alright, now I'm just going to get to cleaning and hopefully I can get this gum off without leaving any bits behind. Where did I put my rubbing alcohol? Hello? Okay, so I just gave it a good wipe down. It was really gross. I wasn't able to get 100% of the gum off, but I'm just gonna have to deal with it. So now I'm gonna take it outside and spray paint it, but before I do that, I'm going to tape up and cover the mirrors just so I don't paint over the mirrors. So let's go. Okay, I spray painted. Now I'm just gonna do a little satisfying peel off here. So yeah, I taped it and then spray painted it so now it's white. Now I'm going to try to attach my new top so that I can have a bench. So my plan now is to glue these two boards together in the middle because I'm only going to be securing them to the metal frame on the outer edges and I just want it to be a little bit more sturdy, so I'm hoping that this will help, but I might try to put another support underneath later. But I'm gonna glue them together and then I'm gonna screw them on. Using E6000, but I don't know if this is the best choice, but I'm just gonna do it. Should probably also be wearing gloves, but you know, YOLO, it's fine. Make sure that I didn't stick this tablecloth in that crevice. I'm also going to making sure the edges are lined up properly. And then I'm gonna take my frame and flip it upside down on top of that. Can't return them now anyway because I glued them together. Okay, so I'm trying to center this. I think I'm gonna measure it just so I know that it's in a good spot. Okay, I think that's where I want it. So I kept my screws from before. Truthfully, I should probably just let this dry before I try to drill into it. But I kind of just want to do it now, so we're gonna go for it. So I have this dinky IKEA drill. We're just gonna see how it goes. Oh my god, it worked. The more I do, the weaker she gets. Alright. I should definitely let that dry. This is the finished product upside down, and I will show you what it looks like the right way up, and possibly in my room on another day after this is dried. Alright, so this is what it looks like right now. I drilled all the screws in, whatever. I just want to wait for this to dry before I flip it over, so I'll come back tomorrow or another day and I'll show you what it looks like at the very end. But it was pretty easy. I just cleaned it, painted it, took off the top and put on these little shelf things. So hopefully it holds up, and I will check back in later. And here it is, the finished product. I just have it in my room now, holding my record player, and there's room underneath. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching, bye!